get that clipped in.
Is it going a certain way?
You'll feel it. Don't put it at an angle. You'll go nice and up. You'll feel a little wiggle in it, and then just bring it over.
There you go, hold. You gotta hold it.
Going left to right? Right in there. Right there. You know where you won't get Roger, Outlaw's asking when we pass the track if somebody on the south end could let them know when they make their bank, if they're banking too soon or going too far over.
We're gonna pre-stage within your scenario. This time we're gonna go slow, right? So scenario 1 goes, finishes, comes back. Scenario 2 goes, comes back. Scenario 3 goes, comes back. That's okay. Not use those rounds. So I know you got a missile, so I'm not just walking up to your truck and fire. Fire, far right. So, you all know them? What are they?
All right.
Got it. Got it.
Splash. Let's go.
Yeah, I think missile away, target destroyed.
See the 2 birds? You see the 2 birds?
There,
Pass
yeah,
the 2 birds.
Come on. Get on him.
Activate missile when ready.
Activating.
Clark's on.
Okay.
Engage, elevate. Missile away.
Fire.
Well, we're at Tobruq Arrows Exercise 20, and we are executing our combined air missile defense mission here with Latvia and Lithuania, 2 of our close allies, especially as we build our air and missile defense capacities. We focus on interoperability and integration. Even with the COVID-19 environment, they're focused on protection of the force, focusing on the health of the force. They were able to still train, but exercising certain protocols. The hygiene, washing hands going in the buildings, but also wearing the protective equipment. And you'll see a lot of the soldiers wearing their masks. All of these together, with the discipline of this unit, we were able to mitigate the effects of COVID-19, but to keep a high level of readiness. And that is critical for this air defense unit. The message it sends that no matter what events that happen to this unit, that they are resilient and they are ready to deter any type of threats and provide the air missile defense capability. But even more so important, as we are shoulder to shoulder with our allies here, we're demonstrating the air missile defense capacity together, because we cannot do this alone. And bringing together these different capabilities, we're able to provide air missile defense to deter our most pressing threats to the alliance.
We brought with us the Avenger weapon system. It is a Stinger-based turret-mounted weapon system that's mounted to the back of a Humvee platform. In addition to that, we've also got man pads for a single soldier to shoulder launch a Stinger missile at aerial targets. So to mitigate the issues that we have in the events that crews cannot maintain the 2-meter distancing, specifically when they're doing crew drills and when they're operating the equipment itself, is to make sure that they wear the proper PPE required. That PPE, as mentioned before, is making sure that they're wearing their face masks, their eye-pro, their gloves, and making sure that they're doing everything in their power to maintain the physical distancing, but when not possible, that they're wearing that protective equipment to help mitigate the risk of them spreading the virus.